What's up everyone? So if you want to hear just the sound clips of the exhaust system on my M4, skip to this point in the video and you'll get the full rundown in terms of sound. But real quick, I just wanted to say there's no installation or product overview in today's video with the Dinan exhaust because this is an exhaust system which I had purchased with the car already. So this came pre-installed on my M4. This is the full Dinan free flow exhaust, which is an axle back system. It is VALVETRONIC. There is a valved system in the muffler itself, paired with the Dinan mid-pipes or the X-pipe replacement, which leads all the way up to the secondary cats of the car. So it's an axle back system plus the mid-pipes, and the secondary cats and primary cats are still on the car. There are no downpipes. All the cats remain. It's fully emissions legal. I smogged the car, so I know in California it will pass with this setup. And I personally think it sounds really good. Like I said, it's a valved system, so when the valve is closed in efficient mode, there is very little drone inside the cabin. It feels very OEM-like, and then I can actually control the valve and with the steering wheel via the M1 and M2 buttons on the steering wheel. So it definitely makes a good amount of noise. I would say it's loud, but I wouldn't say it's anything crazy loud. And when you hear some of these sound clips throughout the video, you'll actually notice that the valve will close automatically, and then after a certain RPM, it opens up. The way that you can counteract that if you want the valve to be open all the time is by removing the little sensor which is connected to the muffler, which I'll probably do in a separate video. And obviously these cars don't sound too good from factory, and with a lot of aftermarket exhaust setups, it is very, very hard to make the S55 sound good. And coming from an N55, I can completely understand why it's so hard, because the N55, you could do anything to that exhaust on that car and it would sound dope. But with this car, it's a different story. I think the Dinan setup personally does a pretty good job of bringing out a very deep and aggressive growl with the S55. It's a very different tone than you get with the N55. But overall, I think it sounds pretty cool, it sounds pretty exotic, and I think it's, relatively speaking, rasp-free. In total, this setup cost the previous owner about $3,800 when everything was all said and done. That's for the free flow exhaust, the mid-pipes, plus all the labor, and the 3.5-inch Dinan matte black tips on the car as well. So it is a very pricey setup. I'm not sure if today you can get it for cheaper. I'm sure by now the price is definitely less than that. But regardless, a lot of Dinan products are fairly expensive, but I think it's well worth it. It's an awesome, awesome exhaust system. Do plan on adding downpipes as well. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be getting back to every single one of you guys. For now, enjoy the sound clips. I can't wait to share more of this build with you guys. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you.